Indian economic updates. On Sunday, domestic air passenger traffic in India surpassed 5 lakh for the first time in a single day, reaching 5,05,412 passengers, with 3,173 flights departing, according to Civil Aviation Ministry data. This surge reflects strong travel demand driven by the festive and wedding seasons. The post-Diwali period has seen a significant rise in passenger numbers, with the October to December window being the peak growth phase for Indian Airlines. The wedding season, with around 35 lakh weddings expected between 23rd November and 15th December, is driving the increase. Flight bookings to major metro cities and top leisure destinations are up 70 to 80% year-on-year, with Tier 2 cities playing a key role. Thick smog caused significant disruptions at Delhi airport on Monday, leading to widespread flight delays and cancellations. At least 406 departing flights were delayed, 15 were cancelled, and 150 arriving flights faced delays, with 8 cancellations. The average delay time was about 45 minutes. Poor visibility from dense fog and pollution led to 15 flight diversions, 13 to Jaipur, and 1 each to Lucknow and Dehradun. Similar issues occurred on Sunday, impacting over 468 flights. Some diversions were attributed to pilots lacking Cat 3 training for low-visibility navigation. Airlines like SpiceJet and Indigo issued advisories warning travelers about delays due to the adverse weather conditions. Severe smog engulfed North India, with pollution levels soaring to severe levels and the air quality index in Delhi NCR hitting 500. Hospitals saw a rise in patients with heart attacks and asthma attacks, while schools shifted online and companies advised employees to work from home. Malls, restaurants, and consumer businesses saw lower footfall, with many opting to stay indoors due to the hazardous air quality. The pollution also disrupted flights, with 406 departures delayed and 150 incoming flights affected. The situation has led to a surge in demand for face masks, air purifiers, and indoor plants. Companies like Deloitte, Coca-Cola, and KPMG reported sales slumps, and the food services industry faced a 20 to 30% decline in weekend business. Severe smog in northern India has disrupted factory output, delaying supply chains and increasing production costs, according to industry bodies. The PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry reported that over 3.4 million MSMEs in Punjab, Haryana, and Delhi, employing about 7 million workers, have been impacted. Enforcement of Stage 4 of the Graded Response Action Plan in Delhi NCR has halted construction, affecting industrial activities and transportation. Worker health issues due to smog exposure have further reduced productivity. Companies are mitigating effects by adopting cleaner fuels, installing air purifiers, and providing safety gear. Collaboration with governments focuses on measures like reducing stubble burning and exploring cloud seeding solutions.